Hey guys, it's me from Revolver Gaming. I am really excited about today's video. I went out and got Guardians Rising, baby. Hoping to pull that Lele with a DCE. So this video is going to be a little different. Early this week, I posted on Twitter a poll. Let's see what we got. So it looks like 51% left, 49% right. That was really close, 280 votes. So we will open it. These ones are the lucky ones. Right there. Now instead of just opening these, we're going hunting. For these, with this 357 Magnum Revolver. You guys are definitely going to want to stick around for this video. With that being said, let the montage begin.
Yep.
Just got back from hunting. Went a little different than I expected. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I was going to just open these pack by pack, but might have to rethink that a little bit. So I'll go through this and we'll still open the non-shop packs, and I will find some things. I mean, this one's pretty cool, right? That's what I was hoping they would all look like, but didn't happen. So let's see if we can sort these out a little bit. Alright, so I guess what we'll do is we'll open one shot pack and one regular pack, and we'll do a little pack versus pack. Hopefully the Lele's not in these ones, but we'll find out. Bellsprout, Gligar, Pat Rat, Snow Rut, Murkrow, Tentacruel, and Vanillux. You guys can have that code. Alright, now for a normal pack. Stuffle, Phantom, Helioptile, Beldum, Tentacool, Barboach, and a hollow Golisopod. Very cool. Alright. Nose Pass, Wimpod, Gloomy, Wailmer, Beldum, Petlil, and just a normal Treadmill. Time for a normal pack. Barboach, Alolan Geodude, Fletchling, Petlil, Beldum, Watchog, and a regular Pangoro. Salandit, Rockruff, Delibird, Nosepass, Castform, Reverse Field Blower, and a hollow Politoed. Wishy-Washy, King-Mo-Oh, Wimpod, Machop, Wailmer, Murkrow, and a regular Oricorio. So far we haven't pulled any GXs. Mudbray, Salandit, Stuffle, Slowpoke, Wishy-Washy, Reverse Chandelure, and a regular Rayquaza. Goomy, Wishy-Washy, Vanillite, Clefairy, Rockruff, Reverse Probopass, and a regular Solgaleo. Phantom, Talo, Whalmer, Trubbish, Jangmo-O, Reverse Komala, and a regular Sharpedo. I don't even think there's any GXs in this booster box. Rockruff, Goomy, Slowpoke, Mudbray, Delibird, Energy Recycler, I see something. Full Art Turtonator! Saved you, buddy. You were one of the lucky ones. Very cool. Ask and you shall receive. White code. Uh-oh. Tentacool, Clefairy, Litwick, Gligar, Vanillite, Jangmo-O, and a Holo Minior. Before we go on, I need to he deserves a sleeve. Alright. Talo, Whalmer, Trubbish, Jangmo-O, Wimpod, Reverse Goomy, and an Alolan Golem Holo. It's the easiest pack I've ever opened. Barboach, Carvana, Fletchling, Litwick, Gothita, and a regular Whalmer. And just so you know, all these singles over here, the ones that exploded, we kind of were going through them as we picked them up. There weren't anything of significance in there. Vanillite, Murkrow, Salandit, Nosepass, Talo, a Reverse Rescue Stretcher, and a regular Sharpedo. And my girl Malo. Alright. Looks like we have a couple more of the shot ones. Just a couple more. Alright. Chop. Whoa. Chansey. Snowrut. Pancham, Bellsprout, Reverse Comfey, and regular Oricorio. And not a whole lot else. Alright. Only one, wow. Only one GX so far. White code, this might be another Rockruff, Delibird, Nosepass, Castform, Phantom. I see something. Reverse Absol, and Reverse Fighting. That's cool, I'll take it. That's awesome. I'll sleeve that up in a sec. See, I think we only have one more pack. That shot. No, two. Okay. Chop, Alolan Geodude, Mudbray, Alolan Sandshrew, Cottony, Reverse Trevenant, and a regular Heliolisk. Well, I guess you guys saw that the whole time. Yep. Not a whole lot there. Okay. Pat Rat, Litwick, Pancham, Snow Runt, Castform, Reverse Gothorita, and a regular Heliolisk. Alright, last one. Actually, you know what? Let's do one more regular before we get to the last shot one. Gligar, Pat Rat, Snow Runt, Murkrow, Salandit, Reverse Machop, and a regular Alolan Sandslash. One more. We got plenty of non-shot packs left still because so many exploded on the shot. Alolan Sandshrew, Cottony, Bellsprout, Gligar, Alolan Geodude, a Reverse Heliolisk, and a regular Wellord. Alolan Geodude, Mudbray, Alolan Sandshrew, Cottony, Bellsprout, Reverse Pancham, and a regular Oricorio. Let's open this one. Last one. So I haven't pulled any GXs out of these packs here. You guys voted right on Twitter, unless you wanted me to shoot them. Gothorita, Castform, Reverse Carvanha, and Toxapex GX. Right on. What better? Better give it a sleeve. Mint. Mint condition. Only one? 2 GXs? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more regular ones. And we've only pulled 2 GXs. Chansey, Petlil, Helioptile, Tentacool, Stuffle, Fletchinder, and a regular Alolan Ninetales. That card is more beautiful in person. I've never seen it in person. Coming down onto our last packs here. Alolan Vulpix, can never have too many of those. Chansey, Petlil, Trubbish, Machop, Reverse Beldum, and a Vikavolt GX. Here's all the GXs. They were hiding. Four more packs. Getting some late pack magic. Alright, Phantom, Machop, Fletchling, another Alolan Vulpix, Gothika, Reverse Solgaleo, and a Holo Machamp. Alright, Carvanha, Fletchling, Litwick, Gothita, Pancham, Reverse Enhanced Hammer, and a regular Turtonator. Alright guys, 2 packs. While I'm opening these, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter and Instagram, Rivet Gaming. If you guys like this kind of video, leave a comment. I'm more than willing to do more in the future. Tailo, Carvanha, Barboach, Reverse Rockruff, and a normal Probopass. I hate this card. I hate this card. Too many Probopass. Alright, let's get some last pack magic. Helioptile, Beldum, Tentacool, Clefairy, Barboach, Reverse Golisopod, and a regular Salazzle. Well, here's a couple codes for you little Code Goblins. Enjoy those. I'll try to go through these and see. I mean, there was some in good, some in not so good. You know, I'm not the best marksman, I guess. So I'll go through these. You know. Hey! There was one. Full Art Coco. Well, that was a good find. Better see that bad boy up too, mint. Cool. Not cool that we shot it, but cool that we got another GX. Yeah, so anyway, I'm probably gonna end the video here. Leave a comment if you want to see more videos like this. Maybe recommend a booster box. We'll see what we can do. Yeah, so I got some sorting and editing to do. So, thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video.